हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट ओलिवर ट्विस्ट चैप्टर 12 written by Charles Dickens. Okay, chapter 1 to 11 I have already uploaded. I will be providing you the playlist in the description box. You can go out and check it out from the description box below. Okay, so chapter 12. Alright, so chapter 12 is all about Nancy's revelations. Actually, Nancy reveals many things to a girl called Rose. I think you all know who Rose is. Oliver, when he was injured, he was left by Bill Sykes and Toby Crackett. Oliver somehow came in that same house where they had committed the robbery, right? He came to the same house where he had committed the robbery, and there when he knocked the door, the two servants, they took him inside, and there was a girl called Rose and a lady called Mrs. Maylie was there, and Rose is actually the adopted niece. The adopted niece. Okay. Now, there Oliver received a lot of love, and then Oliver was chased by Fagin and monks. That also you already know. Now, what happens in this particular chapter, in chapter 12, is that Nancy comes to the house of Rose and she tells many things. She has heard a lot of things, secrets from Fagin and monks, and Nancy comes to the house of Rose एंड टेल्स हर एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, तो नैन्सी रोज के घर आती है और सब कुछ बहुत इंफॉर्मेशंस वो दे देती है. ओके, तो लेट्स लर्न इन डिटेल. Mrs. Maylie, Rose, Oliver, and Dr. Losburn arrived in London to stay for 3 days in a family hotel near Hyde Park. तो वो लोग तो आप सब लोगों को पता, यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट दे हैड गॉन टू द विलेज साइड, दे हैड गॉन टू द कंट्री साइड फॉर अ काइंड ऑफ अ वेकेशन, राइट? And after that they came back to London to stay there for how many days? They came back to London for 3 days only, and they were staying in a family hotel which was near Hyde Park, a place called Hyde Park. ठीक है, तो one evening, एक इवनिंग को क्या होता है, a servant came to Rose with the message that a young girl had come to meet her. एक servant आता है रोज के पास और कहता है कि एक लड़की आपसे मिलने के लिए आई है. वन गर्ल हैज़ कम टू मीट यू, मैडम रोज, वन गर्ल हैज़ कम टू मीट यू. ठीक है, तो रोज थॉट दैट अ पुअर गर्ल हैड कम फॉर सम हेल्प. तो रोज ने सोचा कि बेचारी कोई गरीब लड़की होगी, देयर वुड बी सम पुअर गर्ल हु केम टू आस्क फॉर सम हेल्प. सो शी टोल्ड द सर्वेंट दैट यू मेक द गर्ल सिट इन द रूम, आई विल कम नाउ. ओके, सो द सर्वेंट वेंट आउट, and after some time Rose went to another room where the strange girl was sitting. The strange girl we already know, I've already told you, the strange girl is none other but Nancy. ठीक है, तो रोज चली गई नैन्सी से मिलने. नैन्सी एक अलग कमरे में बैठी थी. नैन्सी was sitting in another room, right? So when the strange girl, who is Nancy, when the strange girl saw Rose, who was almost of the same age, she burst into tears. तो जब रोज नैन्सी ने रोज को देखा, when Nancy saw Rose, actually Nancy and Rose are almost of the same age. Okay, Nancy and Rose, they are almost of the same age. So when Nancy saw Rose, she started crying. She burst into tears and she started crying. She started crying because you see, look at Nancy and look at Rose. दोनों एक ही उम्र के हैं, both are of the same age. But look at Nancy, she has fallen into the gang of a criminal. She herself is a criminal in one way. Okay, being in the company of a criminal means that you are also a criminal. Okay, and Rose on the other side, same age, but Rose on the other side is such a good girl. She is spending a very happy life with family. And on the other hand, Nancy has no family. Nancy की कोई family कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay, Nancy does not have a house also. She is there in the criminals gang. That is why she starts crying. कि such a huge difference in their characters. Nancy and Rose, such a huge difference in their characters. So Nancy started crying. तो Rose, she did not understand. Rose को तो समझ में नहीं आया ये चीज़ कि why Nancy is crying. So Rose thought that maybe Nancy has come for some help, or maybe she has fallen into some kind of difficulty. Now Rose does not know Nancy personally. Rose ने कभी Nancy को देखा भी नहीं. Rose had never seen Nancy. So Rose felt very pity when Nancy was crying, and so she spoke very kindly to Nancy. तो रोज़ जो है उसको बहुत ख़राब लगा। नैन्सी जब रो रही थी तो रोज़ जो है शी स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग वेरी सॉफ्टली। ओके, तो रोज़ बहुत काइंडली नैन्सी से बात करने लगी बिकॉज शी फेल्ट वेरी पिटी। नाउ हियर यू सी रोज़ इंटेंडेड टू हेल्प द गर्ल, रोज़ वांटेड टू हेल्प द गर्ल एक्चुअली। Still now Rose doesn't know who is Nancy, why she has come to her house. Rose does not know anything, Rose को कुछ नहीं पता। तो now Nancy जो है, now Nancy started talking. Nancy spoke in tears that if there were more good girls like Rose, then there would be very less bad girls as Nancy was. So this is a very big statement in the story. If you look at the story, it's a very big statement in the story that Nancy रोने लगी, Nancy started crying and Nancy said that if there were more good girls like Rose, अगर रोज की जैसी और अच्छी लड़कियां होंगी, then there would be very less bad girls as Nancy was. अगर रोज की जैसी अच्छी लड़कियां और भी होंगी तो नैन्सी जैसी बहुत बुरी लड़की जो है वो कम होंगी इस दुनिया में। Right, that means what Nancy means to say is that if good people would be more, then bad people would be less. Right, अगर अच्छे लोग ज़्यादा हुए तो बुरे लोग कम होंगे। This is what Nancy means to say. ठीक है? And here Nancy considered herself as a bad girl. So Nancy अपने आप को खराब कहते हैं। Nancy considers herself and says that I am a bad girl because she was a part of the criminal gang. क्योंकि वो एक क्रिमिनल गैंग की एक मेंबर है। शी इज़ अ मेंबर ऑफ द क्रिमिनल गैंग। दैट इज़ वाई नैन्सी सेज दैट आई एम अ बैड गर्ल बिकॉज आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ द क्रिमिनल गैंग एंड आई एम ऑल्सो अ कल्प्रिट। नैन्सी इज टेलिंग हरसेल्फ अ कल्प्रिट। नैन्सी अपने आप को एक कल्प्रिट कहती है बिकॉज शी हैड बीन अ कल्प्रिट इन किडनैपिंग ऑलिवर फ्रॉम मिस्टर ब्राउनलोज हाउस। यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट it was Nancy and Bill Sykes who kidnapped Oliver outside Mr. Brownlow's house when Oliver was going to return the parcel and the money to the bookstall. Right at that time, on the road, Nancy and Bill Sykes, they kidnapped Oliver. So that is why Nancy was cursing herself. ठीक है? That is why Nancy was cursing herself and she was saying that I am such a bad girl. It was I. Okay, I am a culprit and it was I who kidnapped Oliver from Mr. Brownlow's house and I am that bad girl who took Oliver into that hell. वो जो hell है, Faggin's gang is a hell. Bill Sykes is another devilish character in the story. So it was I who took Oliver back to that criminal gang, back to that hell. Okay, so Nancy was blaming herself actually. Nancy अपने आप को blame कर रही थी. She was responsible for Oliver's misery. अगर Oliver आज इतनी ख़राब सिचुएशन में वो था तो वो सिर्फ मेरी वजह से था। इफ़ ऑलिवर वॉज इन अ वेरी बैड सिचुएशन इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ मी। बट नाउ ऑलिवर इज़ इन द हाउस ऑफ रोज, सो नैन्सी इज़ हैप्पी ऑल्सो दैट ऑलिवर इज़ इन द हाउस ऑफ रोज। ऑलिवर इज़ गेटिंग so much care and love in the house of Rose, but like she was not able to forget that past. Okay, and she considers herself responsible for so many things and for basically for Oliver's misery. अगर Oliver का ये कंडीशन है तो नैन्सी अपने आप को जिम्मेदार कहती है, I am responsible. Nancy had come to Rose to take her help so that Oliver could be saved from a dangerous man called Monks. अच्छा, let me tell you one thing. Many students tell me actually that I should speak English more. I mean, I should speak in English only. Now, let me tell you that these writings that you see on the screen, no, these are for the students who have difficulty in understanding Hindi. Okay, you follow the writing. Those students who want video in English, please follow the writings. Okay, please follow the writings. These are in simple language and it is in English only. Why am I making in Hindi? Why do I speak Hindi in between is that my basic objective is that you must understand the story. ठीक है ना? मेरा ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि आप लोग कहानी को अच्छे से समझे. Only then you will be able to answer in the exam, short answers, and all your questions are all objective types only. There are very less descriptive type questions, बहुत less जो है descriptive questions है. तो इसीलिए I use frequently Hindi and English, and those students who understand less Hindi, जिन students को थोड़ा हिंदी less समझ में आता है, okay, I'm saying this thing in Hindi only. Those students who understand Hindi little less, they can follow the writings on the screen. it will help you. Alright, and frequently I'll be using English more, but at times I will be using Hindi also. Alright, anyways, so let me continue. So Nancy Rose के पास क्यों आती है? Why Nancy came to Rose? Because she wanted Oliver to be saved from a dangerous man called Monks. तो Monks हम लोग जानते हैं Monks already कौन है. We met Monks when Monks had a meeting with Shadow on the Wall chapter 8. Monks had a meeting with whom? Monks had a meeting with Fagin. Okay. Now नैन्सी केम टू रोज. नैन्सी कहती है कि एक डेंजरस आदमी है, मॉन्क्स उसका नाम है, एंड ये मॉन्क्स जो है, दिस मॉन्क्स ही इज़ आफ्टर ऑलिवर, ये ऑलिवर के पीछे लगा हुआ है और ये बहुत डेंजरस है. ही मे हार्म ऑलिवर, वो ऑलिवर को नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है. तो रोज, आई हैव कम टू यू फॉर योर हेल्प. अब सब कुछ तुम्हारे हाथ में है. इवन माई लाइफ एंड ऑलिवर्स लाइफ एंड एवरीबडी एल्सेस लाइफ इज इन योर हैंड ओनली. सो प्लीज सेव ऑलिवर. नाउ नैन्सी हियर, एक्चुअली नैन्सी इज अगेन क्राइंग. नैन्सी फिर से रो रही है और कह रही है कि नैन्सी सेड दैट रोज हैज़ अ फैमिली. तो नैन्सी रोज को कहते हैं, रोज तुम्हारे पास तो एक फैमिली है, यू हैव अ फैमिली, यू हैव फ्रेंड्स who care for you and who had cared for you during your childhood also, but she मतलब Nancy, but she did not receive any such love or care from anyone. तो नैन्सी कहती है कि रोज़ तुमको तो फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स का बहुत लव मिला है चाइल्डहुड में, बट मैं जब बड़ी हुई तो आई डिड नॉट हैव एनी पेरेंट्स व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप. मैं जब बड़ी हो रही थी तो मुझे कोई लव, कोई केयर नहीं मिला. व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप आई डिड नॉट गेट एनी लव और केयर फ्रॉम एनीवन. Okay, and if I die, here Nancy is saying that if she dies, then the gutter will be her deathbed. तो क्योंकि जब लोग मरते हैं in a family, when a person dies, what happens? His funeral, a proper funeral is held. People cry for that person. But in Nancy's case, Nancy says that जब मैं मर जाऊंगी, when I will die, there will be no one to cry, and my dead body will be falling in the gutter. Gutter आपको पता है ना, drain जो रोड साइड में होता है, गंदा पानी बहता है, dirty water flow. Gutter means drain. So my dead body will be lying in the drain, and that drain will be my deathbed. Normally people's deathbed is where? Either in the hospital, people die in the hospital. Either they die in the hospital, normal, I'm talking of normal death. Either people die in the hospital or they die on their beds at home. Right? A kind of a respectable death. जब कोई मरता है तो एक respectable death मरता है. But Nancy said, I'm going to die like a dog, and the gutter will be my deathbed. Okay, because I have no one to love or take care of. Nobody will cry when I will die. And again Nancy started to cry. Now Rose felt very bad at this. Rose को बहुत बुरा लगा. Rose felt very sad at this and wished to know why Nancy came to meet her. अब Rose को बहुत बुरा लगा and Rose said that don't say like that, Nancy. Nothing will happen. Now tell me what help do you want from me? तुम मुझसे क्या मदद चाहती हो? तुम मुझे बताओ. Now Nancy said that she had somehow managed to come very secretly from her criminal friends. तो नैन्सी ये कहती है कि you see Rose that I have somehow managed to come, and in a very secret manner I have come to you. Nobody in my gang knows that I am in your house now. Because if my friends come to know, she also feared that if her friends, especially Fagin and Bill, if they came to know that I am in your house, that she was in Rose's house, Nancy is in Rose's house, then they would definitely murder her. तो रोज को पता है कि अगर फैगिन और बिल को, especially Bill, if Bill comes to know that I am in your house, then Bill would definitely kill me. Even if Fagin comes to know, Fagin will inform Bill, and definitely Bill will not spare me. Bill will in fact kill Nancy. तो नैन्सी कहती है कि please close the door, shut the door, so that I can talk peacefully with you, and I have come very secretly. मैं बहुत secretly तुम्हारे पास आई हूँ. Okay. Now Nancy began her story. अब नैन्सी ने शुरू किया अपना कहानी. Now please listen to this thing very carefully. From this chapter actually many new things are going to start. Okay, and the turning point in the story is actually from here itself. Okay. Now here you see. This is Nancy's story now. These are all Nancy's story. Now Nancy began her story. So she says that when Fagin and Monks, they were having a meeting in Fagin's place, Nancy was quietly standing outside hearing their conversation. You remember Shadow on the Wall, chapter 8? Chapter 8, Monks and Fagin, they were having a conversation inside Fagin's house, and suddenly Monks stopped the meeting because he felt, Monks को ऐसा लगा कि बाहर कोई सुन रहा है. Somebody was listening to the conversation from outside, and Monks saw a shadow on the wall outside. Monks ने एक परछाई देखा था बाहर, shadow देखा था बाहर. That shadow was actually Nancy's shadow. Nancy was hearing, listening to their conversation very quietly, very secretly. Nancy was listening to their conversation from outside. Okay, now Nancy is going to share those informations that took place, between Fagin and Monks' meeting. Fagin और Monks के बीच जो मीटिंग हुआ था और इन दोनों के बीच जो बातचीत हुआ था, द टॉक्स बिटवीन द कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन फैगिन एंड मॉन्क्स, दिस वॉज हर्ड बाय नैन्सी, एंड नैन्सी इज नाउ गोइंग टू टेल एवरीथिंग टू रोज. ठीक है, तो नैन्सी ये कहता है कि एक्चुअली मॉन्क्स accidentally saw Oliver with two boys, Jack and Charlie, and he recognized Oliver instantly. So if you remember that Oliver, Jack and Charlie, they had gone out and pickpocketed, Jack had pickpocketed Mr. Brownlow, who was standing outside the bookstall. Mr. Brownlow किताब की दुकान के बाहर खड़ा था और जैक उनका जो है रुमाल चोरी कर लेता है, हैंकरचीफ चोरी कर लेता है. And Oliver was there behind. So right at that time, actually, Monks, by chance, it was by chance that Monks saw Oliver, and he recognized Oliver instantly. अब Oliver को उसने पहचान लिया. Okay, now what kind of recognition? Now who is Oliver? I'm sorry, how is Oliver related to Monks? तो यहाँ अगर Monks ने Oliver को पहचान भी लिया तो क्या? What does it matter if Monks recognized Oliver? That means there's a connection between Monks and Oliver, and we are going to learn that in the next few pages. We are going to learn that. So he recognized Oliver instantly. Nancy does not know how Monks knew Oliver. हम लोगों को भी नहीं पता. We also do not know that how Monks knows Oliver. And even if Monks has recognized Oliver, अगर Monks ने Oliver को पहचान भी लिया तो क्या? It doesn't matter. तो नैन्सी ये कहती है कि मुझे भी नहीं पता मॉन्क्स ओलिवर को कैसे जानता है. आई ऑल्सो डोंट नो हाउ मॉन्क्स नोज ओलिवर. नाउ नैन्सी हर्ड मॉन्क्स टेलिंग फैगिन. तो नैन्सी जो बाहर खड़ी थी, व्हेन नैन्सी वाज स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड, व्हेन फैगिन एंड मॉन्क्स दे वर हैविंग अ मीटिंग, नैन्सी वाज स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. सो नैन्सी सेज दैट आई हर्ड मॉन्क्स हु वाज टेलिंग फैगिन दैट मॉन्क्स वुड पे फैगिन मनी इफ ही कैन मेक ओलिवर अ थीफ. तो नैन्सी रोज को कहती है कि आई हर्ड मॉन्क्स टेलिंग फैगिन दैट फैगिन आई विल पे यू मनी इफ यू कैन मेक ओलिवर अ थीफ. एंड मॉन्क्स promises फैगिन that yes, I will make Oliver a thief because Fagin wants money. We all know this thing, right? Now here too Nancy does not know, it will be no here. Nancy does not know why Monks wanted this. अब Nancy ये कहती है कि मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि why Monks wants Fagin to make Oliver a thief. ठीक है, तो Nancy कहती है कि मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि Monks Oliver को एक चोर बनाना क्यों चाहता है. Monks Oliver को एक क्रिमिनल बनाना क्यों चाहता है, ये भी मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know this also. ठीक है, तो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, नैन्सी ने कहा कि उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट व्हेन मॉन्क्स saw a shadow outside and suspected that someone was there, he stopped the meeting and left. तो उसके बाद मॉन्क्स ने जब बाहर एक शैडो देखा, एक परछाई देखा, तो मॉन्क्स को शक हो गया. मॉन्क्स सस्पेक्टेड व्हेन ही सॉ शैडो ऑन द वॉल एंड इमीडिएटली ही स्टॉप द मीटिंग एंड ही लेफ्ट. उसने तुरंत जो है इमीडिएटली उसने मीटिंग को स्टॉप कर दिया और वो वहाँ से चला गया. ठीक है, और एक दो और भी बातें हैं. नैन्सी इज टेलिंग दैट रोज देयर आर अ फ्यू मोर थिंग्स दैट आई हर्ड एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दोज थिंग्स ऑल्सो. Okay, and students, please listen to this very carefully and very attentively. Now Nancy continued her story. तो Nancy ने अपना story continue किया. Nancy कहती है, now Nancy says, she said that she heard few more things which Monks was telling Fagin. तो Nancy Rose को कहती है कि I actually heard few more things which Monks had told Fagin. तो Rose ने पूछा क्या, tell. Then Monks Nancy said that Monks told Fagin that the only proof, this is very important, the only proof of Oliver's identity now lay at the bottom of the river. So Nancy is telling Rose that, Rose, I heard Monks telling Fagin that The only proof of Oliver's identity now lay at the bottom of the river. अब हमारा normally what is our proof of identity? Our birth certificate. Right, if somebody asks you what is your name, you say my name is XYZ. So what is that proof? No, I have a birth certificate. I have my, say for example, a voter ID card. I have my Aadhaar card or any other ID proof, school ID proof. So this is my proof of identity that I am XYZ. So what was Oliver's identity? Okay, तो Monks ये कह रहा था फैगिन को, Monks was telling Fagin that Oliver's identity, जो प्रूफ था ओलिवर का आइडेंटिटी, दैट इज नाउ गॉन इन टू द रिवर, वो नदी में मैंने फेंक दिया, आई हैव थ्रोन इट इन टू द रिवर. नाउ व्हाट इज दैट ओलिवर्स आइडेंटिटी? ये भी हमें पता है, वी ऑल नो दिस. रिमेंबर द मीटिंग बिटवीन मॉन्क्स, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस बम्बल. यस, द लॉकेट एंड द क्या, रिंग. द लॉकेट एंड द रिंग आर द टू प्रूव्स of Oliver's identity, and we also know that Monks ने क्या किया इन दोनों के साथ, लॉकेट एंड रिंग के साथ Monks ने क्या किया? What did Monks do with the locket and the ring? He threw it into the river through the trap door. तो ट्रैप डोर में से उसने वो नदी में फेंक दिया. Is not it? And he also warned Mr. and Mrs. Bumble that you should not discuss about our meeting with anybody else. Get lost of my house right now. तुम दोनों अभी के अभी मेरे घर से चले जाओ और इस मीटिंग के बारे में किसी से कुछ मत कहना. Do you remember this, Mr. and Mrs. Bumble ka? Okay. Now you see, next, this is very important. Nancy says that I heard Monks telling something else also. मैंने Monks को और भी कुछ कहते हुए बोलते हुए मैंने सुना. क्या? Monks also said that he had got his younger brother Oliver's money safe with him. Very important, very very important. Monks ने फैगिन से ये भी कहा कि मैंने अपने छोटे भाई ओलिवर का पैसा मैंने अपने पास रखा है. आई हैव ओलिवर्स मनी विथ मी. एंड हु इज़ ओलिवर टू मॉन्क्स? यंगर ब्रदर. नाउ रोज इज शॉक्ड दैट हाउ कम ओलिवर इज द यंगर ब्रदर ऑफ मॉन्क्स. हाउ कम? दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ कनेक्शन. दिस इज अ मिस्ट्री इन द स्टोरी. ये है सबसे बड़ा मिस्ट्री. और रोज ने कहा कि नैन्सी ने कहा, नैन्सी से दैट रोज indirectly Nancy told Rose that Rose, this mystery you will have to solve because it is not in my hands. I just came to give you informations. मैं बस तुमको information देने आई थी. ये mystery मैं solve नहीं कर सकता. So Rose, तुमको ही ये mystery solve करना होगा कि Monks का younger brother Oliver कैसे और कौन सा पैसा, what is that money that belongs to Oliver which is now lying with Monks. वो कौन सा ओलिवर का पैसा है जो अभी मॉन्क्स के पास है. ओलिवर तो एकदम पुअर बॉय, ही इज़ एन ऑर्फैन. हम लोगों ने फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी वी सॉ दैट ओलिवर वॉज बॉर्न इन द पुअर हाउस, देन ही वेंट टू इन द केयर ऑफ मिसेस मैन, देन अगेन ही वॉज ब्रॉट बैक टू द पुअर हाउस. आफ्टर दैट ही वॉज सोल्ड टू मिस्टर सावरबेरी. ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर दैट that torture in Mr. Sowerberry's house, he went to London, all the way walking. He went to London for 6 days. He had walked to London. On 7th day he reached there in London, Barnet town, and from there Jack Dawkins met him. He took him to Fagin's gang, and then many things happened in the story. Let me not go into detail. So हम लोगों ने beginning से देखा, we saw from the beginning of the story that Oliver is actually born poor. Then how come Oliver have money? And this money is now lying with whom? This money is now lying with Monks. Now what is that money? This is also a mystery, and this also Rose will have to solve. ये mystery भी Rose को ही solve करना होगा. ठीक है? I hope you're understanding this thing. Okay. Now Monks, Nancy says that Monks wanted to harm Oliver in any way he could. Nancy रोज से कहती है कि रोज, मॉन्क्स जो है वो ओलिवर को जैसे भी करके वो ओलिवर को नुकसान पहुंचाना चाहता है. मॉन्क्स वांट्स टू हार्म ओलिवर इन वॉट एवर वे ही कुड. सो प्लीज सेव ओलिवर. एंड obviously after hearing the word brother, suddenly Rose exclaimed after hearing from Rose that Oliver was Monks' brother. So Rose suddenly shouts loudly that brother, Monks' younger brother is Oliver. I am not understanding anything. And Nancy says, even I am not understanding anything. How it is? This mystery is now in your hands to solve. अब तुम्हें ही ये mystery solve करना होगा. Now Nancy also felt good that Oliver was now in Rose's house away from the criminals. तो Nancy एक तरीके से खुश भी है. Nancy is happy also that at least Oliver is not in the criminals gang. Oliver is in Rose's house away from the criminals. So Nancy felt that this is good for Oliver. Actually, he was receiving so much love and care, and thank God he is away from the criminals. वो criminals से कई जो है दूर है. ठीक है. Now here Nancy then said that it was time that she should leave immediately without anyone suspecting. तो Nancy कहते हैं कि Rose, I came to give you this much information. मैं तुम्हें यही information देने आई थी. I hope these informations will help you. ये information तुम्हारी बहुत मदद करेगी. एंड मैं अभी जाती हूँ. इट इज़ टाइम दैट आई मस्ट लीव नाउ. मेरा वक्त हो गया है जाने का. और आई एम लिटिल अफ्रेड ऑल्सो दैट नोबडी शुड सस्पेक्ट मी. किसी को मुझ पे शक ना हो. नोबडी शुड सस्पेक्ट मी. सो लेट मी लीव. तो मैं अभी जाती हूँ. लेट मी गो. ठीक है. Next page. Rose now requested Nancy that she should leave the gang and stay with her. तो Nancy को Rose ये कहती है. Rose actually requested Nancy again and again actually. बार बार जो है Rose Nancy से ये request करे कि that Nancy, why don't you leave that gang, that criminals gang? You stay with me in my house. See, Rose is such a good girl. Rose is such a good girl, a kind-hearted girl, that she requests Nancy that you stay in my house. यू लीव दैट क्रिमिनल गैंग. तुम उस क्रिमिनल गैंग को छोड़ दो. छोड़ के तुम मेरे घर पर रहो. स्टे विथ मी. बट रोज सेज दैट नो, इट वॉजंट पॉसिबल बिकॉज देर इज़ वन मैन हु इज़ बिल. बिल का नाम वो नहीं कहती है. नैन्सी डज नॉट टेल द नेम ऑफ बिल, बट नैन्सी सेज दैट रोज, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज देर इज़ वन मैन कॉल बिल हुम आई कैन नॉट लीव. एक आदमी है, मैं उस आदमी को नहीं छोड़ सकती. बिकॉज now whether Nancy really loves Bill or not, that is like a kind of confusion. Okay, maybe Nancy has got some kind of a pressure. Maybe Nancy cannot leave because Bill threatens Nancy. Often Bill threatens Nancy, and Nancy is actually afraid of Bill. This could be one reason. It could be love also. It could be this threatening also, fear also. So that is why Nancy tells Rose that नहीं, एक आदमी है जिसको मैं नहीं छोड़ सकती, इसलिए मैं उसी क्रिमिनल गैंग में रहूँगी. I will remain in that criminal gang only, and whatever help is required, I will do. So now when Rose asked Nancy that if she, that means Rose, wanted more help, how could she contact Nancy? तो Rose, जब Nancy उठ के जाने लगी, when Nancy was about to leave, suddenly Rose asks Nancy that Nancy, if I need your help, how can I contact you? अगर मुझे तुम्हारी और मदद की ज़रूरत होगी तो मैं तुम्हें कैसे कांटेक्ट करूँ? How do I contact you? तो नैन्सी कहती है, this is also very important. Nancy replied that every Sunday night from 11 to 12 midnight, I मतलब she here is means Nancy, she would be there at the London Bridge taking walk. तो मैं एवरी संडे को रात के 11 बजे से लेके रात के 12 बजे तक, मिडनाइट तक, आई विल बी देयर वॉकिंग इन द लंडन ब्रिज. मैं लंडन ब्रिज पे वॉक करूँगी. सो एनी संडे यू कम बिटवीन 11 to 12, आई विल बी देयर ऑन द लंडन ब्रिज टेकिंग अ वॉक. सो यू कैन मीट मी ऑन संडेज बिटवीन 11 to 12 midnight, 11 p.m. to 12 midnight. And then again Nancy left crying bitterly. So Nancy जो है फूट फूट के रोने लगी, and she left. I'm sorry, and she left. Okay. Now Rose couldn't sleep that night. अब Rose को टेंशन हो गया. Rose couldn't sleep that night in tension and thinking what she would do now. अब Rose के दिमाग में कुछ घुस नहीं रहा था. She got so much, Rose got too many informations, and it was like a kind of a shocking thing to her that who is Monks, how come Oliver is his younger brother, what is that money, uh, that is now lying safe with monks and this money actually belongs to Oliver. It is all puzzling. Okay, ये बहुत confusion जो है create हो गया नैन्सी के mind में and she could not take a decision. Now what would she do? अब वो क्या करे? Now whom she could consult for an advice? अब Rose obviously wanted an advice. अब रोज किससे एडवाइस ली? अब दे हैव देयर फैमिली डॉक्टर Dr. Losburn, but she rejected contacting Dr. Losburn because he was too impulsive. Impulsive मतलब overreacting. Dr. Losburn is a very good guy, but he is overreacting. Okay, he overreacts most of the time. So Nancy को पहले लगा कि let me take the help of Dr. Losburn. She thought in the beginning that let me take the help of Losburn, but then suddenly she says that no. Dr. Losburn will be too impulsive. He overreacts most of the time, so I cannot contact Dr. Losburn. Then the question comes, then whom should she contact? तो रोज अब किससे contact करे? Because of this, she couldn't sleep whole night. The whole night she could not sleep. Now, though they would be staying in London for 3 days, Rose thought of delaying their stay, but how? Up now, as you already know, in the beginning of the story itself, in the beginning of the chapter itself, I told you that they were going to stay in London. They were in the family hotel near a place called Hyde Park, and they were going to stay there for 3 days. But 3 days was not enough. If अगर रोज को ये mystery solve करना है, if Rose has to solve this mystery, then 3 days is not enough. It could take more than 3 days. So now Rose was thinking that how can I delay my stay? तो मैं यहाँ पे और कई सारे दिन कैसे रुकूं? हाउ डू आई पोस्टपोन? मैं कैंसिल कैसे करूं? ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग क्या हुआ? एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग घटना हुआ नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रोज बिकेम लिटिल हैप्पी ऑल्सो. शी गॉट हर एडवाइजर. रोज को अपना एडवाइजर मिल गया. कौन? देखिए आप, जस्ट सी दिस. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग ऑलिवर अराइव्ड विद द गुड न्यूज़, एक्चुअली विद द न्यूज़ दैट ही हैड सीन मिस्टर ब्राउनलो. तो ऑलिवर नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग बहुत खुशी खुशी आया. वो गाइल्स के साथ बाहर निकला था एक्चुअली. ऑलिवर एंड गाइल्स जो है ऑलिवर को बाहर घुमाने के लिए लेके गया था. गाइल्स हैड टेकन ऑलिवर आउटसाइड फॉर जस्ट फॉर रोमिंग. ओके, एंड ऑलिवर एंटर्ड एंड टोल्ड रोज दैट रोज आई हैव सीन मिस्टर ब्राउनलो. तो रोज आस्क्ड दैट कहाँ पे देखा? वेयर वॉज ही? तो ऑलिवर रिप्लाइड दैट आई सॉ मिस्टर ब्राउनलो इन अ हाउस बट ही डिड नॉट सी मी. तो ऑलिवर ने कहा कि मैंने तो मिस्टर ब्राउनलो को देखा घर में, लेकिन मिस्टर ब्राउनलो ने मुझे नहीं देखा. मिस्टर ब्राउनलो डिड नॉट सी मी. एंड ऑलिवर देन wrote Mr. Brownlow's address and gave it to Rose. तो ऑलिवर ने मिस्टर ब्राउनलो का एड्रेस लिख के रोज को दे दिया. नाउ रोज बिकेम हैप्पी. रोज सेड यस, मिस्टर ब्राउनलो इज दैट मैन whom I can approach for advice. तो मिस्टर ब्राउनलो ही वो आदमी है जिससे मैं एडवाइस ले सकती हूँ. ठीक है, let's move on to the next page. Rose at once got the solution for her problem. So this is what I was saying. Rose at once got her solution, okay, for her problem. Mr. Brownlow would be the most appropriate person for advice. Yes. So अब रोज ने सोचा कि मिस्टर ब्राउनलो वुड बी द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट प्रॉपर पर्सन फॉर एडवाइस. अब मैं मिस्टर ब्राउनलो से ही एडवाइस लूँगी. So without wasting much any time, okay, without wasting time, Rose left to meet Mr. Brownlow. Rose Mr. Brownlow से meet करने के लिए चली गई. Okay. Now Rose met Mr. Brownlow, who was sitting with his old friend Mr. Grimwick and narrated the story of how she met Oliver. तो Rose Mr. Brownlow के घर पहुंची. She reached Mr. Brownlow's house, and there she saw that Mr. Brownlow was sitting and talking with his old friend Mr. Brownlow का पुराना दोस्त Mr. Grimwick. Okay, and Rose told that narrated everything to Mr. Brownlow. Everything मतलब she narrated how I met Oliver. कैसे Oliver मेरे घर आया, injured, how Oliver came to my house, how Oliver started living in my family. So all these stories she told Mr. Brownlow, but she did not tell the story about Nancy's this thing. She did not tell Mr. Brownlow about Nancy. Okay, उसने Nancy की बात नहीं की. Rose did not talk up anything about Nancy. Rose just talked casually only about Oliver and how she met Oliver. Nancy के बारे में रोज ने कुछ नहीं कहा. ठीक है, it's very important to note this thing here. Then Mr. Brownlow now, तो अब क्या हुआ कि Oliver was standing outside actually. Rose wanted to give Mr. Brownlow a surprise. Okay, so Oliver was actually standing outside, and suddenly नाउ ऑलिवर वॉज ब्रॉट इनसाइड, तो ऑलिवर को अब अंदर लाया गया, एंड मिस्टर ब्राउनलो वॉज सो हैप्पी टू सी ऑलिवर, एंड मिस्टर ब्राउनलो सेड दैट yes, I knew that Oliver would come one day, and I knew that Oliver was not a thief, and Oliver would come to meet me one day. Maybe something had happened with Oliver that day, and that is why he could not come back. Okay, but I'm very happy now to see Oliver. So it was decided that Mr. Brownlow and Grimwick would come to the hotel at 8 p.m. that night, and Rose would tell him the entire story as narrated by Nancy. So they decided that, so Oliver and Nancy actually, Oliver and Rose then went back to the hotel. Now it was decided that Mr. Brownlow और Grimwick जो है ठीक 8 बजे right at 8 p.m. Mr. Brownlow and Grimwick will come to that hotel, and there they will have a meeting, and in that meeting all the family members will be sitting there, but not Oliver नहीं, Oliver will be excluded from that meeting. Oliver को दूर रखा जाएगा meeting से. This meeting would be basically between the adults. They did not wanted to share this story with Oliver because Oliver would be frightened. Oliver would be afraid. Oliver would be frightened. Okay, so in that meeting there would be Mrs. Maylie, Dr. Losburn, Rose, Mr. Grimwig, and then Mr. Brownlow obviously. So all of them would be sitting there, and Rose will tell them the entire story जो नैन्सी ने कहा, that was narrated by Nancy regarding monks, Fagin, younger brother, money, सब जो है रोज मिस्टर ब्राउनलो को वहाँ पे कह देगी. She would tell everything about Nancy there in the meeting. So accordingly they met that night, and Mr. Brownlow said that everything must be done carefully. तो मिस्टर ब्राउनलो ने पूरा कहानी सुना. मिस्टर ब्राउनलो heard the entire story that Nancy had told Rose, and Mr. Brownlow said that yes, we must take immediate action, but everything must be done very carefully. बहुत सावधानी से हमें सब कुछ करना है. Everything must be done very carefully. We must be very alert and do things. And Mr. Brownlow also said that they must fulfill the object. ये object क्या है? This object was to basically, there are two objects. ये दो आप याद रखें. Please remember, I have made this presentation in such a simple manner that if you just read these, if you just watch the video and look at the important lines in the textbook, I'm unable to give the important lines in the presentation actually on my screen that you see. I have not given any important lines. Why? Because the video would get very very long. So please, when I'm explaining, students, please open the book. आप लोग किताब जो है वो खोल के रखें अपने पास, ठीक है? It will be easier to look at, and please mark the important lines from the textbook. तो दो ऑब्जेक्टिव है. देर आर टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स एक्चुअली दैट दे मस्ट फुलफिल. नंबर 1, डिस्कवर ऑलिवर्स पेरेंटेज. हु वाज ऑलिवर्स? डिस्कवर ऑलिवर्स पेरेंटेज मतलब हु वर ऑलिवर्स फादर एंड मदर, बेसिकली पेरेंट्स. तो ऑलिवर के माता पिता कौन थे? ये है ऑब्जेक्ट नंबर 1. दिस इज ऑब्जेक्ट नंबर 1. डिस्कवर द फादर एंड मदर ऑफ ऑलिवर. Who was Oliver's father and mother? This is object number 1. And object number 2 is get back Oliver his money. Oliver का जो पैसा है which he has inherited from his father, जो उसके पिता से उसको मिला होगा, that he might have got from his father, that money should be brought back to Oliver. Actually that money is with whom now? That money is with Monks, and Monks has stolen that money illegally. वो तो Oliver का पैसा है. That money belongs to Oliver, and Monks has illegally stolen that money from Oliver. So this money should be brought back to Oliver. So basically two objectives. पहला, Oliver के माता पिता का पता लगाना, to find out Oliver's father and mother. Next, to get back Oliver's money from Monks. Monks से Oliver का पैसा वापस Oliver को देना है. These are the two objects. Then you see, Mr. Brownlow also plans of kidnapping Monks so that they can get to the root. तो Mr. Brownlow कहता है अब एक ही आदमी हमें सब कुछ बता सकता है, वो है खुद Monks. Only one man can tell us, can solve the mystery. Only one man can solve the mystery. Who? Monks himself can solve the mystery. So let us kidnap Monks. Monks को पकड़ते, so that we can reach to the root of the problem. हम इस प्रॉब्लम के जड़ तक पहुंच सके. If we kidnap Monks, we will understand everything. ठीक है? So they Since they don't know how monks look, so they decide to meet Nancy to describe monks for them. अब now the problem is that they have never seen monks. इन्होंने तो कभी monks को देखा ही नहीं, never seen monks. अब monks कैसा दिखता है, how monks looks, they do not know. So Mr. Brownlow says that let us meet Nancy. हम लोग नैन्सी से मीट करेंगे. कहाँ पे मीट करेंगे? इन द लंडन ब्रिज ऑन संडे 11 between 11 p.m. to 12 midnight. Nancy will be there on the London Bridge. So let us meet Nancy. From Nancy we will learn more about monks and then we can kidnap monks. अगर monks का हमें चेहरे के बारे में कुछ पता चले, if we learn the physical structure of monks, how monks looks, whether he's tall or short, whether he has a broad face or a short face, narrow face, whatever it is. So let us try to find some description of monks from whom? From Nancy. So Nancy से हम लोग meet करेंगे. Okay. So till then they decide to keep their meeting. Till then they decide to keep their meeting a secret from Oliver. जैसे कि मैंने आपको अभी अभी कहा, I just told you that they don't want to include Oliver. They don't want to include Oliver in their in the whole process. वो Oliver को include नहीं करना चाहता. क्यों नहीं करना चाहते वो ऑलिवर को इंक्लूड? वाई दे डोंट वांट टू इंक्लूड ऑलिवर? बिकॉज ऑलिवर विल बी अफ्रेड ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ही इज अ स्मॉल बॉय. ऑलिवर एक छोटा लड़का है, एक छोटा सा बच्चा है. ही विल बी अफ्रेड ऑफ दिस थिंग. सो दे डिसाइड टू कीप देयर मीटिंग अ complete secret from Oliver. Alright, so this is all about chapter 12. Now in the next chapter they are going to meet Nancy. But before that, a very, very, very big incident is going to happen in chapter 13. And I will very soon, bring a video on that also. Okay, it will be keep here. Alright, so I hope you have understood the chapter very nicely. If in case if you have any doubt, please feel free to comment in the comment box. Okay, so that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe to the channel, like and share the video with your friends, invite them. I am there on Facebook page also. If you have any doubt, please comment on the Facebook page also. Okay, so with love from Omnigyan and all the best to all of you.